Quick Start Guide. Professional Hemoglobin Meter. Part 1. What is in the box? The contents include user's manual, portable bag, lancing device, USB cable for the power supply, test strips, professional hemoglobin meter, optical verify strip. If you think the meter may not be working properly, you can use the optical verify strip to check it. Lancets, capillary droppers, code chip. Part 2. Before testing. Preparing the lancing device. Take off the cap of the lancing device. Insert a fresh sterile lancet and remove its protective tip. Put the cap back on and pull back the cocking end to arm the device. A depth setting of level 3 or 4 is recommended. Charging. Connect the charging cable to the device. Plug the cable into a USB power source. If the battery level is sufficient, this step can be skipped. Coding the meter. Each time you use a new box of test strips, insert the new code chip included in the box into the meter. Make sure the code number matches the number printed on the test strip. Time format setting. Hold the on/off button key for about 2 seconds to enter the setup mode. Press right button twice. Press on/off button once. Press left or right buttons to switch between 24-hour and 12-hour mode. Press on/off button once to save. Setting time. Press left button or right button to edit number. Press on/off button to confirm. After setting the time minute, press on/off button. Press on/off button. Press on/off button once. Press right button 4 times. Press on/off button once to exit setup. Inserting the test strip. Insert one test strip into the meter. The top left corner of the screen will blink, indicating the meter is waiting for the blood sample. Part 3. Blood collection. Preparing the finger. Wash your hands with warm water. Gently press your palm and finger to help blood flow. Use the lancing device to make the fingertip puncture. Gently wipe off the first drop of blood. Collecting the blood sample. Allow enough blood to flow from the fingertip. Use the capillary dropper to draw the blood sample. Ensure the blood reaches the black fill line, this indicates the required 10 ml volume. Keep the capillary dropper flat while collecting the blood sample. Part 4. Add sample and read. Applying the blood sample. Hold the capillary dropper and gently drop the sample onto the test strip. Make sure the strip completely absorbs the blood for proper testing. Reading the result. Wait for less than 10 seconds. Your hemoglobin and hematocrit results will appear on the display. After test, remove the test strip and lancet. Possible reasons for inaccurate results. Insufficient blood sample. Keeping the sample at the correct volume helps ensure accurate results. Dirty LED lamp. Keep LED lamp area clean. If the LED lamp is dirty, lightly wipe it with a soft, clean, dry cloth. Need help? Contact us at info@medasia.store for assistance. Professional hemoglobin meter. MedAsia Store, your trusted partner in health management.